No.
Sorry?
No, I go in raw.
Always.
I mean, fuck it.
No, don't say fuck it.
I mean,
you got to be a little bit more calculated.
I mean, actually, I did. I have worn.
Fred, why don't you?
The one time I wore a condom, it actually did break.
Why aren't you on Prep?
Prep?
Prep.
What is that?
Okay, hold on. Who was here first?
That's me.
Okay, no. Come on.
Sorry?
Yeah, she was here first.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, and then it's her, and then it's you.
Oh, wow, sorry. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Sorry. All right, so since you're... come with me.
Sorry?
Come with me.
Yeah, for sure.
Can I have your first and your last name initial, please?
Paul?
D.
Denino.
D is your last name?
Yeah, D.
Okay.
Denino.
Do you have a middle name initial?
M.
M. Date of birth?
September 29th, 1994.
94?
Yeah.
How old are you?
23.
Okay, and are you gay or bi?
I mean, I think I'm straight.
Okay, so you're straight?
You didn't give me that option.
Okay, well, we're in West Hollywood.
I mean, I'm straight, but I have done shit with guys.
Okay.
But it's like, I don't know, it's not because, and I'm not bi, but it's like...
It's totally fine. I'm not here to...
Yeah, it's like, you never know.
Oh, well, hopefully you had a good time, okay?
No, I didn't get hard, but it was interesting.
Hey, at least you tried it.
Yeah.
It's done. All right, and now, what's your ethnicity?
White.
Okay, and let's see, negative. And where you live at right now? Do you own a house, you rent an apartment, you own a condo, stay with a friend, homeless, shelter?
Not homeless.
Oh,
no.
We have a lot of people.
Apartment.
Apartment. Okay, and what country were you born?
America.
What is your zip code right now?
90036.
And in the last 12 months, have you been in jail?
Yes.
Okay. And
unfortunately.
It's okay. And in the last 30 days, have you had any drinks?
Drinks?
Yes. Have you drank alcohol in the last 30 days?
Of course.
Okay. How many days did you drink in the last 30 days?
Like every day.
Okay. Did you have 5 or more drinks or less than 4 drinks?
Every day?
Uh-huh.
Probably 5 or less.
Okay. Let's see. And in the last 30 days, have you done any cocaine?
No.
Crack?
No.
Crystal meth?
No.
THC?
No.
LSD?
No.
PCP?
No.
Marijuana?
Yeah.
How many days did you use marijuana?
Every day.
Okay. And
Yeah.
Have you done any poppers in the last 30 days?
Poppers? What's that?
Poppers is common with, it's like the video head cleaners. No?
I mean, I don't snort anything.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I don't know
Have you
what
done any
poppers
other
is.
drug I didn't mention?
In the past 60 days?
In the past 30 days only?
No.
Okay. Have you ever shoot up?
Shoot up?
Yes.
Like what?
Like heroin?
Oh, okay. I thought you meant like some... No, I've never done heroin or nothing.
Okay. And in the last 30 days, have you had sex with a male partner?
Let's see. Not sex.
Okay. Have you had a blowjob?
I had a hand job.
Okay, not a hand job. Okay. Have you had sex with a female partner in the last 30 days?
A few.
Okay. How many times did you receive oral sex from a female partner?
How many? I gotta think about this one. Probably like... I don't know, probably like 6.
6? Did you use a condom? Always, sometimes, or never?
No.
No?
Never.
And how many times did you give oral sex to a female?
Never.
Okay.
Fuck that. Come on, dude.
Okay, don't knock it. Don't knock it. Okay, and in the last 30 days, did you have anal sex with a female?
No.
No? Did any females do you?
No, fuck that.
Okay. And how many times did you have vaginal sex with a female? 30 days only.
Probably like twice.
Twice? Did you use a condom? Always, sometimes, or never?
I did use a condom for one of those times,
Okay.
but it broke.
Okay.
So that didn't mean anything.
All right. Did you have sex with a guy for exchange of money or drugs in the last 30 days?
No.
Have you had sex with a trans woman in the last 30 days?
I hope not.
Okay. And your first name was?
Paul.
Okay. Paul, so you stand in line, you will be after him.
Thank you.
Okay, so you go here.
And I had this already, so they
Okay,
gave me
so you just don't go. I know, girl. I know.
How are you doing? I know I seen you a few months ago.
I'm here.
Good.
I can't believe you're missing me. I'm getting bigger by the day. I know.
I said recognize.
Bro, those are definitely some interesting questions. They want to know everything, dude. Just to take a little HIV test. Like, why does it matter how many guys I've had sex with? And how many times I drank alcohol?
Yeah, I did this and then do the other part.
Do I get free dog shit?
Bro, these free condoms are not good though. The free condoms are like, they're gonna break, dog. Like they're probably old as shit. Black shirt, black boots, black leather, black. Like, what are you saying? They're probably old as fuck, dude. Like the condoms are probably like expired, homie. Large, thin condoms. Bro, this junk's probably expired. Expires in 2023. Never mind. They ain't got no lube though. Someone's about to have rough anal. How you doing? HIV test today?
Yeah.
Why today?
Huh?
Why?
Regular checkup.
Okay. You do this quite often at the truck here?
No, sometimes I go to the center.
Why the truck today? No, why the truck today?
Yeah, I just saw it.
Yeah, I usually just masturbate. But I had sex the other day, so fuck it, let me check. Poke holes? No, that's fucked up. Why would I do that for? That's fucked up, chat. I'm trying to be low-key right now. My fucking arm is starting to hurt holding this camera a certain way, though. I'm in West Hollywood, though, so I can just say I'm schizo and everyone would just believe you. Everyone just believe me, dude. Because of equality and shit. Sorry, I had schizo. I talked to myself. How you doing? I'm good, thank you. I'm just a little schizophrenic today. I'm just a little schizophrenic today.
Here we react to what they say.
I'm just a little schizophrenic today.
Ah, okay. Why?
I don't know. Hi, let's do this. Let me put all my stuff down here.
Right up here on the bench. Have you tested this before?
Yeah, I have.
And let me get your date of birth.
9/29/94.
And your last name.
Denino.
Paul?
Yeah. This is a quick test, right?
Correct. It's a rapid test.
And it's 100% accurate.
I wouldn't say 100%. It would be 99.7% in accuracy.
Okay, that's 100%.
Yeah, it's yeah.
Check the blood.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
What happens if I have HIV?
And then what we'll do is the next step to it would be to get you into care right away. And basically
Right away?
Well, yeah. So before you leave, we try to set up an appointment, a doctor that you'll be seeing, and our whole thing is to get anybody that's reactive to get them into treatment right away.
Okay.
Let me ask you: are you currently on PrEP?
What is that? The guy outside was talking about that too.
Okay, so PrEP is medication that you take daily, and that's just to block the HIV virus. If it was to
Wait, you can take medicine to block HIV?
Correct. Yeah, as long as you take it and you're consistent with it. Yeah.
So it's like birth control for men.
Correct.
No way,
Yeah,
dude.
it is for HIV.
And it works?
And yeah, it's giving,
100%.
It's giving really good 99%.
Because I bet there are a lot of people that are just like a lot of girls, guys that are just down the fuck with HIV because they can't really fuck anyone else.
Yeah.
I'll fuck them as long as I'm on that pill.
Yeah. So the thing is that so now we're seeing a lot less infections due to PrEP. Yeah.
Okay, well I'm not on that.
Okay. And
That's interesting though. I'll
Yeah.
look into that.
okay, Paul. So you already know the process. Just a quick prick on your finger.
Yep. Prick away.
Okay.
How many people come in here and are positive? They freak out.
You know, like I told you, we don't see that many as we used to. A majority of times, people that do come and get tested, they kind of have an idea they probably can be infected.
Because like symptoms.
No, because of the activity that they've got themselves into.
It was like having sex. Like
Yeah.
a crackhead or something.
Yeah, just a little bit more riskier sex that they've had. So then that kind of brings up, a red
What's
light.
the riskiest sex that you've ever had?
That I have ever had? I don't think I've had like risky sex.
Oh, okay, me neither.
Go ahead and give me your hand.
Okay, here we go. I hate pricks. Hurts it.
Okay, so try to be as gentle as I can. Okay, you ready?
Yep. Ow.
You're slowly bleeding.
Slow bleeder, is that?
Yeah. Meaning you have you drank water today?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Not too much. Had a lot of monsters today. On caffeine.
We just okay. There we go. Just tell me if I'm hurting you.
You're good.
I just need to fill at least half of this spot.
Yeah, you're fine. Ah,
Yeah, just a little bit more, and that's it.
that hurt. A little bit.
Sorry. There you
Yeah.
go. No more. That's it. Any questions?
Nope. Do I have HIV?
Okay, that's a good question. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this register.
Keep the Band-Aid on there at least for an hour.
I'm always nervous for these tests. You know I don't. They're not positive.
So you're good. You're negative.
I don't have HIV.
Yeah.
Oh, thank fuck, dude. Thank God for that. Dude, I've had so much sex with no condoms. Yeah, dude. Fuck it, dude. I gotta get that preg. That was it a prego?
Yeah.
I gotta get some of that.
Yeah. So it's prep.
Oh, prep.
But you know what? If you go out here, you know what I mean. I'll give you a flyer
Yeah, of course I do.
because there's going to be a website there.
Thank you, of course. Thank God for that shit. Be prepared to end HIV. Oh, nice. I'm down with that. All right, cool. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks, dude.
Any questions?
No,
You're good.
Yeah, I don't have HIV. I'm glad.
Thank you so much.
All right, thanks, dude.
And thank you.
Thank you, dog. Oh, yeah. I don't have HIV.
Good for you.
So what to do?